Welcome back! Another back-to-back Hustle Diaries. Hello, hello. I just did my day 19, I think, just a few minutes ago. No, yeah, a few minutes ago. And this is another back-to-back that we're doing for my daily go lives. Again, for those who are new here, I'm Marianne, originally from Manila, Philippines, and now based in Ontario, Canada. A wife, a mom, and someone who's learning that growth doesn't always happen as quickly as we'd like. And this topic, we are going to be talking about trusting the process. Have you ever worked hard on something and felt like nothing was happening? Parang ginagawa mo naman lahat ng dapat mong gawin. You know, you're showing up, you're trying, and then you're being consistent. Pero parang wala ka pa rin nakikitang result. Nakaka-frustrate minsan, di ba? Because naturally, we want to see progress right away. We want proof that what we're doing is working. But one thing I've learned is this. Not all growth is visible right away. Parang nagtatanim ng halaman. Hindi mo naman nakikita agad yung roots, 'di ba? Habang tumutubo. Pero kahit wala kang nakikitang progress sa ibabaw, which is visible, may nangyayari sa ilalim. It's hidden. And I think life is like that too. Sometimes we're growing in ways we don't immediately see. We're becoming stronger, maybe, like more patient, more confident, more resilient, even when it feels like nothing is changing. The challenge is that most people quit too soon. Not because they can't do it, but because they don't see results fast enough. And honestly, I've had moments like that too. Moments when I questioned if my efforts were worth it. But looking back, I'm grateful I kept going. Because many of the things we want take time. Growth takes time. Learning takes time. Building confidence takes time. So if you're in a season right now where things feel slow, here's your reminder. Just because you can't see progress doesn't mean progress isn't happening. Keep watering those seeds. Keep showing up. Keep doing your best. Trust the process. Because one day you look back and realize that every small step mattered. So this is what I want to ask you. What area of your life requires a little more patience right now? You know, maybe it's your goals, your health, your relationships, or simply trusting yourself. Whatever it is, keep going. You're probably closer than you think. Thank you for spending a few minutes again on my back-to-back today here in Hustle Diaries. Take care, trust the process, and I'll see you in day 21. Bye!